Welcome. My name is Jennifer Carlson. I'm with Boston Consulting Group in the International Operations Division. The purpose of this presentation is to provide legacy tech solutions with a summary of our findings, recommended AI solution that you requested, and the summary of benefits and positive impacts that will result from incorporating this AI solution. You'll see that there's a link here in the video to click. That won't work on the screen, but the links have been provided below. You'll find that there's a link. The first link listed is for the report that details a lot of what you'll see on the slides today. We'll provide this presentation later, and at that time, those links will be clickable. We can also provide this presentation to your team at your request, whatever works best for your team. So this was a summary of our findings. Some of this you already know. Um, Looking here from efficiencies and challenges to opportunities. So legacy tech's current client onboarding process, as you know, has been hindered by manual, time-intensive tasks, outdated interfaces, and inefficiencies at pretty much every stage from the initial contact to final approval phase. So pain points include a slow data processing time, error-prone manual entry, bottlenecks in document verification, and delays in compliance checks, risk assessments, and account creation. So I think that a lot of this, as you see it here on the screen, will ring true for your team, and this is very much why you had wanted us to provide you with some solutions, this assessment and some solutions. So to address these challenges, again, this link that you see here at the bottom is to the link that's in the comments. To address these challenges, some AI driven solutions might work really well for you, such as chatbots, OCR, intelligent document processing, and automated compliance engines can streamline workflows, reduce errors, and enhance data accuracy. And in the report, you'll see other AI solutions that you might want to consider. We're going to focus on one that's coming up in the next few slides. Process improvements like simplifying forms, pre-filling data for review, and standardizing risk criteria combined with tools and predictive analytics and real-time dashboards can improve efficiency, reduce workloads, and provide a smoother client experience. And I think that's what your team is after. And so the primary solution that we recommend is Ascend AI, which is a prototype that we've created for you for client onboarding with legacy tech solutions for your clients. And as you see here on the screen, this can provide you with quicker response times, real-time risk profile modeling, and generation of explanations and predictive insights. So in terms of quicker response times, Legacy's current processes can take an average of 5 days or so for customer response times, but with this prototype, Ascend AI, you'll be provided with a quicker option for higher client volumes. Multiple clients at one time, use the prototype to complete the onboarding process. In terms of real-time risk profile modeling, detailed dynamic risk profiles are created for each client based on financial history, submitted documents, and other contextual data in real time as it's provided by your clients. In terms of generation and explanations and predictive insights, so in addition to risk assessment, Ascend AI generates explanations and predictive insights, allowing the risk assessment team to make informed decisions more quickly. So, a summary of benefits and positive impact in terms of enhanced decision making. SNDI's production of generative summaries gives your risk assessors on the risk assessment team more precise insights into why specific scores were assigned, helping them to understand complexities quickly and making a positive impact on the onboarding process. So, in terms of all of the information that has been provided by your clients, that is assessed by the prototype, Ascend AI, and then provided to your risk assessment team. This results, as you see here on the screen, in improved efficiency and proactive risk management. So, automated real time scoring reduces assessment time, allowing your risk assessors to handle more cases consistently. And then predictive insights and scenario modeling can help legacy tech to anticipate client behavior and take preventative actions, minimizing exposure to those high risk clients. This way, if you see someone at the onset who maybe may not be a good fit for your company, you can sort of nip that in the bud before it creates problems that you would rather not deal with. So, in terms of Ascend AI's client onboarding with legacy tech solutions prototype, again, this presentation that you'll have for your use later, you'll be able to click here. For today, the link is in the comments to the prototype, and I'm just going to show you right now how the prototype works. So, welcome to the prototype. Here is Ascend AI. Client onboarding with legacy tech solutions. You can see this welcome message to your potential clients here. It shows welcome to the legacy tech onboarding tool. We're thrilled to have you with us, etc., etc. And what your clients would do is they would just ask the system to please create a business profile. And once they do that, they'll be prompted by Ascend AI they'll be greeted, they'll be happy to assist them, and they'll ask for essential information. They ask for their first and last names. Once they provide their first and last name, I'll just show you briefly what that looks like. So Jennifer Carlson. You can see that the AI responds, "Thank you, Jennifer. Next, could you please tell me the name of your organization?" This is how the prototype creates a user profile. That user profile is then shared back for accuracy. We can actually modify this in any way that Legacy Tech would like. We can have different defining features. This is again just a prototype that we can modify to best meet your needs. Right now, the system asks for an EIN. Lots of information that your team could ask for in this onboarding process would be helpful for your risk assessment team. And so this is basically it, the prototype, and we look forward to you trying it out. This link is also linked below in the video at the bottom, but you have it here in the PowerPoint as well. So Ascend AI really is a transformative approach to legacy tech's onboarding process. It's more accurate. It leverages AI automation for increased accuracy. It's faster and more consistent instead of waiting for the risk assessment team to compile what is really a lot of data. Ascend AI can do that in minutes without a wait with multiple clients at the same time. This allows the risk assessment team to assess the data in real time from the product's back end, further reducing wait times, and minimizes human error so complex workflows are not entirely the responsibility anymore of the risk assessment team, who now is able to focus on advanced decision making with increased client satisfaction. So, in terms of continuous improvement, projecting and assessing to protect your profit margin is very important. And so, in terms of mitigating future risks, Ascend AI's design should include bias detection mechanisms, diverse training data, and regular audits. Building transparency into how risk scores are derived can help the risk assessment team identify and address any unintended biases in the model. So we want to thank you for your time. We really appreciate your time with us today. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to get back with you. We look forward to seeing you again and potentially presenting this directly to your team as well.